BlendJet struggled with random product promotions that failed to engage their audience effectively. They recognized a golden opportunity to enhance their marketing strategy with Rokt's innovative solutions. Rokt offered not just compelling offers, but a highly optimized CPM for increased revenue generation. By switching to Rokt, BlendJet created a new revenue source without any upfront costs involved. This shift allowed them to reinvest crucial capital into growth marketing campaigns, massively boosting their sales. Every customer transaction became more valuable, featuring offers from top-tier advertisers carefully curated for relevance. The integration with Shopify checkout was seamless, allowing BlendJet to launch within minutes effortlessly. After the transition, they reported an astounding $462,000 in profit for every million transactions. Their customers were thrilled, reflected by a remarkable 16% engagement rate with Rokt's tailored offers. Excited by their success, BlendJet is now exploring Rokt in even more strategic locations within their platform.